Hello, everyone. My name is Nalani Sampson, and today will be presenting 50 medical terminology terms, including root words, prefixes, suffixes, and definitions. So, starting off, we have hypertension, and it's a condition of high blood pressure. And the prefix is hyper, the root word is tense, and the suffix is un. Second, we have hypoglycemia, and it is low blood sugar. The prefix is hypo, meaning low. The root word is glyce, meaning sugar, and the suffix is emia, meaning blood condition. Next, we have bradycardia and tachycardia. Bradycardia means a slow heart rate, and the prefix is brady, meaning slow. The root word is cardi, meaning heart, and suffix is ia, meaning condition. And then on the other side, we have tachycardia, which is a fast heart rate, and the root word is the same, and the suffix is the same, but the prefix is just different, tachy meaning fast. Moving on, we have gastroenteritis, and it means inflammation of the stomach and intestines. The root word is gastro, meaning stomach, and enter, meaning intestine, and the suffix is itis, meaning inflammation. Next, we have dermatitis, which means skin inflammation, and the root word is dermat, meaning skin, and the suffix is the same, is itis, meaning inflammation. Next, we have osteoporosis, and it means weak and brittle bones. The root word is oste, meaning bone, and the suffix is porosis, meaning porous condition. Next is arthroscopy. The root word is anthro, which means joint, and the suffix is scopy, and arthroscopy means a procedure to view a joint. Next, we have neurology, which is the study of the nervous system. The root word is neuro, meaning nerve, and the suffix is logy, meaning study of. And next is nephrectomy, which means surgical removal of a kidney. And the root word is nephra, which means kidney, and the suffix is ectomy, meaning removal. Then we have hepatitis, which means liver inflammation. The root word is hepat, meaning liver, and the suffix is itis, which is inflammation. Itis is a suffix that you will see a lot in medical terminology. Next, we have cardiomegaly, which is an enlarged heart, and the root word is cardi. The suffix is megaly, and megaly means enlargement. Next, we have hematology. We've seen hemat before, and the definition is just the study of blood. We've also seen logy before, which is the study of, and leukocytosis is next. It means increase in white blood cells. So the root word is leuc, meaning white, and cyte, meaning cell, and the suffix is osis, meaning condition. Next, we have oncology, meaning the study of cancer. I feel like this is a very known term. And onc means tumor, and again, logy means the study of. Then we have myalgia, which means muscle pain. The root word of that is my, meaning muscle, and the suffix is algia, meaning pain. Then we have dysphagia, which means difficulty swallowing. The prefix is dys, meaning difficulty. The root word is phage, meaning eat or swallow, and the suffix is ia, meaning condition. We have cyanosis next, which is the bluish discoloration of skin, and the root word is cyan, meaning blue, and the suffix is osis. Next is anemia, which is just the lack of red blood cells. The prefix is an, which means without, and the root word is een, and the suffix is ia. And then is apnea, which is commonly partnered with sleep, meaning sleep apnea, but apnea means the absence of breathing. The prefix is a, which is again without, and the root word is nia, meaning breathing. Next, we have hyperlipidemia, and it means high fat in blood. Prefix is hyper, meaning over. The root word is lipid, meaning fat, and the suffix is emia. And next we have hypoxia, which is the low oxygen levels. The prefix is hypo, meaning under. The root word is ox, meaning oxygen, and the suffix is ia again. Next we have endoscopy, which means a visual exam inside the body. The prefix is endo, meaning inside, scope, meaning look, and the suffix is just e. And then we have pericarditis, and the prefix is peri, meaning around, root is cardi, and the suffix is itis. Next, we have some skin terms. Subcutaneous means under the skin. This is often used when talking about injections. So sub is under, root is cutane, which is just skin, and the suffix is us. And then we have intravenous, which is also used when talking about injections, and it means within a vein. Intra means within. The root is vein, which is vein, and then the suffix is us. Next, we have some terms relating to urine. And first, we have polyuria, which is excessive urination. Poly meaning many, ur meaning urine, and ia. And then we have oliguria, which oligo means few, and the root word is still ur. And the definition of this is low urine output. Continuing on with the urine terms, we have hematuria, which is blood in the urine, and the root word is hemat, which is blood, and ur, which is still urine, and then the suffix is ia. And then we have tachypnea, which tachy is fast, like tachycardic, and the root word is nia, which is breathing, so it's rapid breathing. Next, we have an electrocardiogram, or ECG for short, and it's a record of the heart's electrical activity. So electro is electricity, the root is cardi, and gram means record. And osteoarthritis, the root word is oste, bone, and arth, which is joint. Itis is inflammation, and the definition of osteoarthritis is inflammation of joints due to bone degeneration. Next, we have neuralgia, which is nerve pain. This can happen all over the body. Neur is nerve, and algia is pain. And then angioplasty is surgical repair of a blood vessel. Angi meaning vessel, and plasty meaning surgical repair. Next, we have bronchitis, which is the inflammation of the bronchial tubes, and bronch is airway. And then we have itis as a suffix. And then we have laryngitis, which is inflammation of the larynx, and larynx meaning voice box, and itis is still inflammation. Next, we have a rhinoplasty, which is commonly referred to as a nose job, and it is a surgical repair of the nose. The root word is rhine, meaning nose, and plasty is surgical repair. And then we have a gastrectomy, which is a surgical removal of the stomach or part of the stomach. And gastro means stomach, and ectomy is removal. Next, we have a colonoscopy. This is a common procedure done to prevent colorectal cancer, and it's a visual examination of the colon. So colon is large intestine, and scopy is visual examination. And then a mastectomy is the surgical removal of the breasts, one or both of them. And the root word mas means breast, and ectomy is removal. Next, we have hepatomegaly. Hepat means liver, and megaly is enlargement, so the definition is enlargement of the liver. And we have splenomegaly, which is enlargement of the spleen, and splen is meaning spleen. Next, we have thrombosis, which is the formation of a blood clot. Throm means clot, and osis means condition. And then we have leukemia, which is one of the most common types of cancer. The root is leuk, meaning white, and e means blood, and then ia is condition, and it's cancer of the white blood cells. Another common type of cancer is melanoma, and it's the malignant tumor of pigment-producing cells. So melan means black pigment, and oma means tumor. And then we have hyperthermia, which is elevated body temperature, also referred to as heat stroke. And hyper is high, and therm is heat, and ia is condition. On the flip side, we have hypothermia, which is abnormally low body temperature, and hypo means low, therm is heat, and ia is condition. And then we have anaphylaxis, kind of like an allergic reaction, which is a severe allergic reaction, and ana means against or excessive, phylax means protection, and is condition. And to end it off, we have sepsis, which is a life-threatening bloodstream infection. Seps means infection, and is condition. And then we have edema, which is swelling caused by fluid buildup, and edeme means swelling, and is condition. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I was able to teach you some medical terminology.